Alright folks, this video is about combining like terms with rational coefficients. So now, instead of just having integers like 1, 2, 3, or -1, -2, -3, or 0, you're going to have fractions and decimals. Ooh, scary, right? It shouldn't be. You really know what to do. Just take your time and you'll be fine. Alright, so we have combine like terms to simplify this expression. So 1.3b plus 7.8 minus 3.2b. Well, if I put commas in, it's positive 1.3b and positive 7.8 and negative 3.2. So we know that negative 1.3b would go with negative 3.2b. I call this my, you can see me do things. I'm going to call this side my neat side. I'm going to call this my scrap work. So negative 3.2 plus 1.3, right? Negative 3.2 plus 1.3. What do I have more of? More positives or negatives? I have more negatives, right? So I know that this is going to be a negative. But negative what? Well, it's really, just like we did with integers, it's really the difference between these two numbers, really the difference between their absolute values. So you do 3.2 minus 1.3, and can't do that, so that'll be 2. 12 minus 3 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is negative 1.9b and positive 7.8, so plus 7.8. And there is your simplified expression. Negative 1.9b plus 7.8. Easy as that. Let's talk about this one. Ooh, another scary one. This one has decimals in it. Sorry, fractions in it. I think we'll be okay. So I have negative 4/7 p and negative 2/7 p and positive 1/7. Well, negative 4/7 and negative 2/7. All right, let's do that over here. Negative 4/7 plus negative 2/7. All right, well, I have a negative and I have another negative. So we'd really just be adding these together to make negative 6/7. So this comes out to be negative 6/7 p. Well, what's left over? Is positive 1/7. So plus 1/7. And that's our simplified expression, folks. See, told you it's not so scary. Let's do the next one. 1.17 minus 0.07a plus negative 3.92a. So once again, neat work here, scrap on the side. So 1.17 and negative 0.07 and negative 0.07a and negative 3.92a. Well, this would combine with that. So I have negative 0.07 plus negative 3.92. Well, they're both negatives, so I would just really be adding these two numbers up and putting a negative sign in front of them. So 0.07 plus 3.92, 7 plus 2 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 3 is 3. So this is negative 3.99a, and I'm left with positive 1.17, so plus 1.17, and we are done. That's it, simplified. Do we have any more? Yep, we have one more. Expand the expression, combining like terms of rational coefficients. This one has the distributive property, right? So we would start by doing 6 times 1/2 w and 6 times 3/4, right? So neat work here, scrap work here. So 6 over 1 times 1/2 would be 6 over 2, which is 3. Another way to think about it is if I simplify 2 and 6, that would simplify to 1 and 3, and my numerator would be 3 times 1, which is 3. My denominator would be 1 times 1, so 3 over 1 is 3. So however way you look at it, 6 times 1/2, it should make sense, 6 times 1/2 is 3, so 3w. Now we do 6 times negative 3/4. Well, positive times a negative is a negative, right? So we don't even have to worry about the sign. We know it's a positive times a negative. All we really have to do here on the scrap work side is 6 over 1 times 3 over 4. Well, we know the answer is going to be negative. Already took care of that here. So before I multiply, I like to simplify. Well, is there a number that goes in both 6 and 4? Yeah, there is. The number 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 4 2 times. So when I multiply across now, put a little line here because 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. So this is 9 over 2, but we already decided it's negative from before. So minus 9 over 2. There you go. This is a simplified version of that. There, another one. Nope, we're going to leave this one alone for now. Hope you enjoyed the video.